Taking a look outside right now at our DHR camera in Edinburgh, and you can see not a bad night. It's a clear skies, 78 degrees off that high temperature there of 89, though it is a bit muggy. Humidity 90% out there tonight. Now, in terms of temperatures, 79 in La Jolla, west of the coast, 78 in Harlingen, Brownsville, 79, as well as 77 up towards Raymondville at this hour. 75 is going to be our bottom out mark tonight. Partly cloudy skies in the overnight hours. Winds out of the southeast, about 5 to 10, though we do expect the winds to pick up throughout the day tomorrow. Let's take a look at Futurecast here. Again, those are clouds moving in through the morning hours, though quickly moving on out by noontime. We do expect mostly sunny skies, and that's going to be with us all day long, but we're going to be tracking those southeast winds. Could see gusts up to about 25, 30 miles an hour by the afternoon hours, but we'll start to see those clouds move back in late tomorrow night, but I think it's going to be really a sunny day. It's going to be a hot day. Looking at 101 actual temperature out in Rio Grande City. How about 94 in Harlingen, 92 there in Brownsville with those heat indices. That's going to be the big story tomorrow, what that feels like because of the humidity. Yeah, by 4 o'clock, we're talking maybe 111, 112 in the Upper Valley. 109 feels like in McAllen, about 108 in Harlingen, 107 Bayview. Yeah, it's going to be a toasty day out there. That's why we got to remember our hot weather tips. Check the back seat. That's the kids, that's the pets. Staying hydrated if you're doing yard work, making sure your pets have shade. With a sunscreen if you're going to be outside, especially with a higher UV index with the clearer skies. And then check the AC filter. You don't want that conking out on you. Now, if you're looking to cool off, maybe you're looking to go to the island tomorrow. 84 degrees there. Surf temperature right around 82, looking at wave heights 2 to 3 feet with that moderate rip current risk, so just be careful with that. Now, Monday, kind of a copy and paste kind of day. Hot, breezy. Yep, it's going to be all the same on Monday with those heat indices also going to be a factor there as well. But at least the air is moving. Gusts about 30 miles an hour out of the southeast there for you on Monday. Now, we are looking at a hot week out ahead of us, though. Yeah, don't expect this to go anywhere soon, as we're going to be looking at the actual temperatures probably in the mid-90s. But look at those triple-digit heat indices all week long. So it's definitely going to be a hot week. It's going to be a drier week as well, and that's good news because it allows that super saturated soil to dry out a little bit and prepare us for the next rain event down the road. But just a 10% chance, maybe some sea breeze activity trying to pick up towards the end of the week, and then up to 20% there by Saturday. Now, in terms of the tropics, getting busy on the Pacific side of things. Got another storm brewing there at 80% chance of development, and then another one maybe later in the week at 30% chance there. But kind of quiet for now in the Atlantic side, but the really looking at that guy moving out to sea, so not too worried about that. But that would be Carlos. That's the next name on the list of Atlantic storms. But the good news is on the Atlantic side, looking pretty quiet maybe the next 5 days, but beyond that, we are going to start to see down in the Caribbean things starting to get a little bit more active. This is our hurricane index, and in the red where things become a little bit more favorable for development, something we'll see later on next week. So we'll keep an eye on that moving out ahead, but it's definitely that time of year. We always got to keep an eye on the tropics, but the good news is here, at least it's going to be a drier week. We dry out, get the rain out of here, though it is going to be a hot week out in store for us.